Alright, this is my first time deer hunting since 2017. Last time I was up here. This is private land, friend of our family. Last time I was up here I shot a big 9. That was the last time I hunted and the last buck I shot. So wish me luck. This is what I have to traverse right now, which isn't too big. Until I get all the way over there to where I have to actually cross the creek, not on this wall. Here's the fun part. I gotta figure out easiest way to go, where it's not too deep. Let's do it. It's worth noting now, while there's no action, this is Montgomery County, and even though it's rifle season, you cannot hunt with rifle here. So I have my father's single shot 12 gauge shotgun. Hopefully that will bring me luck. I shot deer with that before here. I was gonna bring my Browning out, but I figured my father bring me some luck, which he better. Alright, I am in the stand, set up finally, and let's see what we got. Hopefully we get a shooter. There's tons of birds around me right now, all making noise, scaring the hell out of me. I heard leaves behind me under the stand. I thought it was something, but I'm being bamboozled. I'm gonna go see if I got him. Hope so. I'm not gonna lie, I was really nervous shooting. Haven't seen a buck. Haven't gone deer hunting in 3 years. This would be 4 if I didn't go. Whew. I'm a little nervous. He kind of just moseyed around. Went back in the woods. I don't know. Let's see if I hit him. I hit him. Whew. Got him. I just see it. So, oh man. I need to catch my breath just first. I'm so excited. So I came, thought he went in over here. So I'm looking. I'm like, where is he? He's standing right there, 10 yards. And I could see that I hit him. And he just was standing there. He ate it. There was a big hole in the side of his neck. So we're going to see what happened. I just put him down. I just took a second shot. So let's see what we got. This was the 5-point. Here we go. Okay, so I hit him, and he would have dropped. I actually probably didn't even need to take that second shot. There's all this blood. He went right through here. Let me put my gun down. All right, so here's the blood trail that I would have could have just followed anyway. Would have jumped on him. Oh man, he's bleeding a lot. I don't know if you can see that. He's right up there. So I thought I missed him. I did not. He was bleeding pretty bad. Here he goes. I did take a second shot at him and put him down. This is the 5-point. I'll take it. Thank you, Dad. He's friggin' big. Looks like he got messed up during the rut. Well, that he would have been a nice 6. Hallelujah. I'll figure out where I shot him after. I knew this part was going to be the hardest part of the video. So for those who don't know, my father passed away back in late August out of nowhere. He was 66 and healthy. He had a massive heart attack. And I lost my father. I lost my hunting partner. So this is my first year of hunting deer without him. And I wanted to dedicate this video and obviously all my videos and all of my future hunts to him, because I know he's going to be with me every time I'm in the woods and beyond. So used his gun. I know he pushed that buck towards me, so I got to thank him. Thanks, Dad. Hopefully I'm going to make him proud every time I do go in the woods and every other day after that.